Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. We got something today and this is a very special package. This is my new fairing to replace this fairing. And this current fairing, the Ghost Rider, it's being sold. Yeah, I might have to keep it if no one buys it. Although someone have shown interest to buy this Ghost Rider fairings, but we'll see how this one goes. All right, let's open it. To be really careful, you don't want to scratch inside. All right. Okay, what we got here, is the insulators. Let's put it aside. Ooh, my new windshield. Oh yeah, no more this. No more bikes versus cops. Bye bye. See? Okay, let's put them there. Okay. All right. Oops. Okay, I'm just gonna stop the video for a while to bring out all these goodies. All right, let's check out this first piece of the fairing. Let's see how the quality. What do you guys think? This is, of course, aftermarket fairing. It looks like it's one of these that goes here. Yeah, under. It's gonna be here, right? Okay, let's put that one inside. Alright, this second piece, you could see there's a small chip there, small damage. Okay, this one also comes with this tank pad. Looks like a cheaper version. They just throw it in. You don't know how good the quality is until we stick it on. All right, next is this, the clips and brackets, screws. All right, next one is the rear fairing. Put it down here. See? Okay. Again, this fairing is for the 2005 and 2006 Honda cbr600. Yeah. Let's see what's the next one here. Cowl. Get the cowl. All right, the cowl cover. I wonder if they included the rubber. Okay, so that one goes there. Could imagine how my bike will look like now. Okay, the next one I got here is the left fairing. Is it? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Goes like this. One more. Yep. So basically we're looking for, this is for the side. Let's put it there for now. And more of those interior fairings for the cowl. This one is for the cover, and this is for the front. This one is for the front, and this is for the tank. Okay, cut the thing. Okay, let's put it there. This one big boy here is the fairing. Yeah. Okay. Right. This is the tank cover, fuel tank cover. Okay, and then we got all this. The front one, the head. Nice. Nice. Okay. So far so good. Only one minor scratch. Then what we got here, the front fender. All right. Okay, guys. All we have to do now, I'm almost done here. Right. All we have to do now is remove the old fairing and then install the new ones. Oh yeah, we still have this one. So this is for the right side, top fairing. This is for the left side. Yeah, we just want to make sure there's no other damages, right? Okay, naka-prep na sila. Meron na akong minor problem. The package is supposed to have included the decals. So far I don't see them. They might be hiding somewhere. Maybe it's here. But so far I don't see them. Anyway, we're gonna proceed and install this. Okay, itong pagtanggal ng old fairing is a little bit challenging kasi meron akong mga add-ons tulad nitong stabilizer. Kailangan ko tanggalin yan. Ayan yung screws. Ayan. Itong helmet bracket. That one. So, are we ready? Okay, let's do it. Alright, so far this is my progress. Slowly I started removing this part, the rear fairing, and then I went this way, removed this side here, and then both sides, and then remove this front. I'm almost there. I just need to disconnect the signal lights there, the wiring, and it's a little bit challenging removing this screw here. Right. Also the another one here, this is challenging as well. I don't know if you guys could see it. This one here needs a tiny screw, smaller than the screws that they provided me. So right now I don't have one. I'm still looking around, so I could install these ones here, right? They go. Okay, I think this one is going this way here, right? Goes that way. So that's why I proceeded here, removing all the rest of the fairing. Okay guys, natanggal ko na yung cover ng tangke. Okay lang, madali lang to eh. Tanggalin lang yung mga screw dito, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos yung dito rin sa side. So parang 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ang mahirap ito, yung harap. Hindi pa rin natapos. Yan. Ang problema nito sa mga aftermarket fairing, directly from China, they don't fit 100%. You have to force it sometimes, you know. They're like only 98% will fit. Ang hirap, kailangan puwersahin. Ngayon, eto na, ready na yung cover ng tangke. Ilalagay na natin. Okay. Okay, I slide it in. Okay na siya. Nagkasya naman. Now, ito sinunod ko. Kabit ko rin to. Nakita ko ng small screws that will fit. Ito yung mga flaws nyo. Meron ng gas-gas. So, I'm in the process of putting the side fairings now, and then the seat, and then I'll deal with this lastly. That's the most difficult part right now. Okay, I made some progress. Malapit na po, malapit na matapos ang installation. Okay, ito na lang yung mga side fairings. Ito medyo naayos ko na yung head. Yan lang. Then lalagyan natin ng insulation yung side fairings. It's this one here. Okay, pag install ng insulator provided na, hinapin ko sa gitna. Ayan. Meron siyang adhesive one side. Okay, so this is a problem with aftermarket non-OEM fairing. They don't fit 100%. You need to improvise. Right now I'm thinking about put a tie knot, plastic tie knot here and here to keep them together. Yep, looks nice though. I like it better than my Ghost Rider fairing. By the way, I'm selling that Ghost Rider fairing. If I don't get the amount that I want to from that fairing kit, I may just gonna need to keep it as my spare. Alright, and here we're done. What do you guys think? If you have any comment, just comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the new fairing I installed on my bike, and what do you guys think? What should I do with those with the old one, the Ghost Rider fairing kit? Right now I'm selling it for 500 bucks Canadian dollars, and I think I like this new one. Alright guys, after almost half a day of installation, this is it. Like I said, it's an aftermarket fairing, so it's not perfect. These are the flaws. So that's a warning for those who wants to buy aftermarket fairing. It's not 100% will fit. It's very hard. Everything here. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my video. Just let me know what you guys think, and if you like my new traditional fairing on my 06 Honda CBR600rr. Thank you.